Buying your first car, how to choose between new versus used, finance smart, and negotiate like a pro. Buying your first car is a thrilling milestone, but it can also feel overwhelming. Do you go with something shiny and new or save money on a used model? Lease, loan, or pay cash? And how exactly do you negotiate without getting fleeced? Don't worry, we'll break everything down for you in this first-time buyer's guide. New versus used cars. What should you choose? New cars, pros and cons. Pros: latest tech, safety, and fuel efficiency. Full manufacturer warranty, no prior wear and tear. Cons: higher purchase price. Rapid depreciation, up to 20% in the first year. Higher insurance premiums. Used cars, pros and cons. Pros: lower upfront cost. Slower depreciation curve. Often lower insurance. Cons: limited warranty, if any. Potential hidden issues. Fewer options for customization. Pro tip: consider a certified pre-owned (CPO) vehicle. It's manufacturer inspected, lightly used, and often comes with a limited warranty. How to evaluate a used car, like a pro request, a vehicle history report, e.g. Carfax, AutoCheck. Get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic. Test drive on varied roads to listen for odd sounds or performance issues. Check the title status to avoid salvage or rebuilt vehicles. Financing options. Explained. Option 1. Paying in cash. No interest payments. Full ownership from day one. May limit your options if your budget is tight. Option 2. Auto loan available via banks, credit unions, or dealerships. Shop for the lowest interest rate and compare terms. A larger down payment can reduce your monthly cost. Option 3. Leasing for new cars. Lower monthly payments. Return the car after a set term, strict mileage limits, and no ownership. Pro tip: use a financial calculator like the HP12, CP, or TIB A2 Plus to compare monthly payments, interest, and overall cost over time. How to negotiate the best price. 1. Research the market value. Use tools like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, or TrueCar to find the fair value for the car you want. 2. Get pre-approved financing. First, this strengthens your buying position and gives you negotiating power at the dealership. 3. Don't focus on monthly payments alone. Always negotiate the total price of the car, not just the monthly installment. 4. Be willing to walk away. If the deal doesn't feel right, walk. Salespeople often reconsider when they see a serious buyer walk away. 5. Ask for add-ons or upgrades. If price flexibility is limited, negotiate for extras like oil changes, accessories, or extended warranties. Key questions to ask before you buy. Is this the best vehicle for my lifestyle and budget? What will my total cost of ownership be? Insurance, fuel, maintenance? Am I approved for a favorable financing plan? What is the vehicle's warranty coverage or return policy? Your first car is more than a ride. It's your ticket to freedom and independence. With the right research, budgeting, and negotiation skills, you can drive off with a deal you'll feel good about. Whether you go new or used, financed or paid outright, the key is to stay informed, stay calm, and steer the decision, not the other way around. FAQ Section Q1. Is it better to buy from a dealer or a private seller? A. Dealers offer warranties and certified inspections, while private sellers may offer lower prices but fewer protections. Q2. How much should I put down on a car? A. Ideally, at least 10% for used cars or 20% for new cars to avoid being upside down on your loan. Q3. What is a lemon law? A. Lemon laws protect buyers from repeatedly defective vehicles under certain conditions. It varies by state. Q4. Should I buy a car online? A. Online dealers like Carvana and Vroom can offer convenience and transparency, but always read reviews and know the return policy.